Their very first kiddie pool.
Come on.
What are you doing, Caroline?
Not too slowly again. Come on, Caroline. You gotta jump in, girl. Neptune. What's up, bud? Let's take your... Oh, I thought she was bringing it and dropping it.
I think she was.
Caroline, come here, girl.
There we go. Good thing we got this size pool.
Yeah, because you wouldn't be able to fit me and the two pups in it at the same time.
No. Look.
You chicken a water bird?
No, he thinks that there's things on the bottom.
He thinks this is what?
There's things on the bottom.
He's like, oh, that one's real. Caroline, you drink that?